Today we're going to make parsnip soup, and this is what you need. 2 dessert spoons of sunflower oil, a dessert spoon of corn flour, some ground black pepper, a medium potato and a medium brown onion, a large carrot if you can find one, or 2 small stuck together, whichever, 4 veg cubes and 4 sticks of celery and 2 parsnips. We're going to use 36 fluid ounce of water as well, which we'll measure out later. So I'll get these prepared and then we'll get back to you. Okay? We've prepared the veg and this is what we've done. Potatoes are cut into cubes quite small, carrots are sliced, parsnips sliced quite small, onions sliced and celery cut quite small as well. And what we're going to do now is put a potato and onion in and 2 dessert spoons of sunflower oil. Not very big ones, but just two good ones. So I'll do that. Now I'm going to tip in a potato and an onion and just saute it for about 5 minutes, and then we'll add the rest of the veg. Okay? So I'll do that on quite a low heat and just give it a bit like a mini stir fries that. Okay? We'll get back to you in 5 minutes. Right, we've done the potatoes and onions for about 5 minutes. Now we're going to put in a celery, and a carrot, and a parsnip. And we're just going to do it again for about 5 or 10 minutes, and then we'll get back to you. Okay? We've sauteed everything for about another 5 minutes on top. So now I'm just going to stir in a good dessert spoon of corn flour. Once you've mixed that all in, you can add your stock and you can add your water. So we'll do that. Right, I'm going to crumble in your stock, vegetable stock cubes, and then you're going to blend it at the end of this as well. Okay, we're going to add 36 fluid ounce of water. And we're going to put in some ground black pepper. And why do we put ground black pepper in?
Because we like it.
Okay. Now we're going to cook this up, boil it up and then simmer it for about maybe 25 minutes. Okay, until your carrots are soft. So we'll do that and then we'll get back to you. Okay. With the lid on, and we've had it on about 25 minutes, and your carrots are now soft. So once you can get your fork in your carrots, then you can turn it off, cool it down and then blend it. So I'll just show you when it's blended, and that is pretty much it. Okay. Right, we've blended it up and that is pretty much it. Okay.